Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Thursday, December 16th. Stocks are holding on to small gains following this morning's mixed economic news. The number of Americans filing first-time claims for unemployment benefits fell again last week to 420,000. Economists had been expecting the figure to rise a bit after a big drop in the previous week. The news from the housing market wasn't quite as positive. Construction of new homes rose by 3.9% last month, matching estimates. However, the rate of housing starts is still well below last year's level, and building permits dropped to their lowest level since last April.
FedEx is likely to be among the most actively traded stocks today following a disappointing earnings report. FedEx posted an 18% drop in second quarter profit and missed its revenue target due mainly to higher costs during the period. However, FedEx did say that the holiday season is going better than it expected. In other earnings news, Rite-Aid reported a $79 million loss and a drop in revenues in its latest quarter. The drugstore chain said same-store sales in the current quarter will also fall short of estimates, and that earnings for the full year will be lower than initially projected. General Mills also missed Wall Street expectations despite a 9% increase in profits. Both General Mills and Rite-Aid are moving lower in early trading.
Another big decliner this morning is Transocean, down nearly 3% right now. It's one of the 9 defendants in the Obama administration's new civil lawsuit over April's oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico. The government says BP, Transocean, and others violated the Clean Water and Oil Pollution Acts with negligence and lax safety procedures. While energy stocks may fall today, financial shares are likely to rise. Right now, Bank of America is jumping 2% after it agreed to extend talks with large mortgage investors such as Bank of New York Mellon and Freddie Mac. They claim that Bank of America didn't properly service bond deals on some residential mortgages. The talks signal a shift in strategy for Bank of America, which had previously vowed to fight the claims.
Finally, keep an eye on shares of Apple today. Both J.P. Morgan and Kaufman raised their stock price targets and EPS estimates for the company. J.P. Morgan says Apple could still control more than 60% of the market for tablet computers in 2012, and that the total market for tablets could reach $34 billion by then. We'll get more news out of the technology sector after the closing bell, when Oracle and Research in Motion are due to report their quarterly numbers. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.